Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make meringue cookies with meringue powder. First, gather your ingredients: egg whites, granulated sugar, and meringue powder. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are perfectly clean and free of any grease. Preheat your oven to a very low temperature, usually around 200 degrees Fahrenheit, to prepare for a slow bake. This initial setup is crucial for perfect meringues. Now, let's create the perfect meringue. Start by combining your meringue powder with a tiny bit of water to form a smooth paste. Then, in a clean bowl, begin whipping your egg whites. Gradually incorporate the granulated sugar, 1 tablespoon at a time, as the whites become foamy. Continue beating until the mixture is wonderfully glossy and forms stiff, firm peaks that hold their shape. With your meringue ready, it's time to pipe. Carefully spoon the glossy mixture into a piping bag fitted with your preferred decorative tip. Pipe consistent, uniform shapes onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Bake these delicate treats for about 1 hour. After baking, turn off the oven and leave the cookies inside to cool slowly. The cooling process is just as important as baking. Let your meringue cookies cool completely inside the turned-off oven for at least another hour or 2. This gradual cooling prevents them from cracking and helps achieve that wonderfully crisp, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Once fully cooled, store your beautiful meringues in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks of delicious enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.